Okay, so all of you have understood the major life process and the introduction of this topic, right? So let's begin with the
Yes, sir.
first one according to your lesson, that is something called nutrition and energy production. Okay, now if I ask you a very simple question, what are the different reasons why we eat food? Keep your videos on, everyone.
For getting energy.
The first answer is yes, for getting energy. We eat food because we want energy, right? It's like,
To get
imagine,
nutrition and proteins.
okay, to get nutrition and proteins. Okay, we will come to this. Okay, coming back to that point of energy. Imagine if you don't eat food for about 3 to 4 days, what will happen?
We will
We
get
will
weak.
become
And
weak.
You'll start feeling very weak, right? You won't feel like doing anything. The only thing that goes on in your mind is food, food, and food. Correct? Right. So it's like, suppose you're sitting in the class and you're too hungry. So whatever interesting things I'm telling, nothing will go into the brain because the brain is getting only missed calls from the stomach. Ki khana khana hai, khana khana hai. Correct? So that's a must. Okay. Okay. So energy is one point. What about other point? Bolo. What are the other reasons why we eat food? The first point is energy. Second point, Abhirami, bolo. Do you eat food?
yes, sir.
Very good. खाना चाहिए. क्यों खाती है? Energy बोल दिया. For what other reason? Sometimes this kind of very simple questions make you think ना कि क्या आंसर हो सकता है करके.
Growth of
Very
the
good,
body.
Sundar. Yes, growth is the answer. Only because you eat food, you are able to grow. Agree with this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, nahi, right? You cannot pump air inside you and say that I am growing. Right? You need food. And when it is growth, there is one more thing along with that. Now, don't say development, that happens along with growth. What is the other point? Something with R.
Reproduction.
That comes along with energy, I suppose. Because energy रहेगा, cells सारे function करेंगे, तो reproduction is also possible. That cannot be separate point. We don't eat food because we want to reproduce. थोड़ा vague हो जाता है, right?
Respiration.
The respiration is the process by which we get energy. R से और क्या आएगा? I'll give you a hint. Suppose you're playing out somewhere with your friends, and while playing, you fall down. You get a cut or a wound on your hand, skin present.
Repair.
Correct. It is repair. The body has got its own capacity to heal the wound. उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Clotting. Do you know that? There is a new skin created after some time. That is repair.
Yes.
That means the body has got its own healing mechanism to some extent. And that is because nutrients are available. Okay, so when this kind of repair is there is one more word now, one more reason. I, which is very largely talked about in this situation, COVID situation.
Immunity.
Very good.
Immunity.
Is immunity. Right? What is the meaning of immunity? सब जगह पे इम्यूनिटी इम्यूनिटी करके सुनाई दे रहा है, टीवी में कितने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के एड्स आते हैं, यू कंज्यूम दिस योर इम्यूनिटी विल इंक्रीज. So what is the meaning of immunity? Yes, anyone? You guessed the word correctly. Meaning बताओ.
To fight the diseases.
Exactly. We have our basic strength or the resistance to keep away diseases. Okay. See, it's like as a human being. Now, this is first of all applicable for every organism, but because we are able to understand better when it comes to human beings, I'm talking from that point of view. As a human being, as an organism, there are so many such germs or microbes in our environment that can enter your system for which you don't have any control. Simplest one, like breathing. At any cost, you will have to breathe whatever is the air around you. So even if the air is having a lot of microbes and germs and dust particles and all, there is no choice. You cannot stop breathing. You have to breathe. So when the air from around you goes inside your system, carrying the germs, every time do you fall ill because of that? We don't fall ill every time because the germs are killed inside our body to a large extent. We have our army, navy, and air force inside us. Getting it to fight them. But if it becomes more than a limit, ज़्यादा ही germs अगर हो गए, when the body is not able to fight back, then we suffer from disease. Okay, well, even in the food that you're eating, you might be taking care of all the hygienic aspects, washing, cleaning, everything, but still there can be possibility that germs will enter. Okay, even in the water which you are drinking, you don't know. Every water is not Himalayan pure water, right? That's a possibility. Germs will enter. Okay, your ears are always open. Can you keep it closed? You don't know. पता नहीं हवा में क्या डस्ट जाएगा. Right? So your body is exposed to so many dust particles around you, germs around you. But the body has got some mechanism, and mainly they are present in our blood, which are called the WBCs, the white blood cells. As soon as there is any kind of a attack by any germs or something, the WBCs will spring into action. कि नहीं इनको दूर भगाना है, खत्म करना है. That's our immunity. And right now in this COVID-19 situation, people are telling that the more you have your immune system good, the better it is to keep away the virus. It's like the virus can enter you. At a long point of time, you cannot stop that. इसलिए मास्क वास्क पहनना बोलते हैं ना, because मास्क पहने तो kind of barrier बन जाता है. There is a less chance that the virus will enter them. And after that, even if it enters, if you have a good immunity, then you are able to fight back the virus. And that is possible when you consume good amount of nutrients. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Reasons why
Yes, sir.
nutrition is required. Okay. So the first thing, क्या बोला यहाँ पे? Why do living beings need food? Right. This is how you eat food, right? Correct, na Shivganga? No?
Mm.
Okay. For getting energy, okay, every organism needs food, right? This is not applicable for only living beings. You see animals in the wild, constantly, even they are searching for food because उनको ढूंढना पड़ता है. For us, we don't have much problem because we get it easily, right? That's why if you go to some hill station or something, you come across these monkeys, you offer them something, they immediately come and grab it. हम इंसानों की तरह नहीं कि किसी के घर पे गए, they are offering you something, नहीं नहीं पहले मना करते हैं, then खाते हैं, है कि नहीं? But for animals and all, they don't have all this what you can say formalities and all. वो तो छीन के निकल जाएंगे. Sometimes they don't even wait for us to offer. वो अपने हाथ से छीन के लेके चले जाते हैं. It must have happened with you also, right? and for growth. Okay, all living organisms need to grow. Correct? That's why food is required for repair and development, as we said, for better immunity, and for also maintaining the body functions. Correct? All the organs, all the cells, all the tissues, they should keep functioning properly. For that, the most important requirement is nutrition. Getting it? So coming to something called nutrients. Okay, when you talk about nutrition, the important point is nutrients. What are nutrients? It's like whatever we eat, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं food. Okay, you might be having all types of dishes. Okay, normal Indian food consists of what? Just chapati, parathe, rice. Okay, or maybe some South Indian dishes like dosa and all, whatever. Okay, every household has got its own system, likes, dislikes, सब कुछ रहता है. But we eat something called food. All this food that we eat, they contain certain chemicals. They contain certain chemicals which are necessary for our life process. Those chemicals in the food which must go to every cell of the body, उनको बोलते हैं nutrients. Okay, so how are nutrients classified? There are three types of nutrients. The first one is energy giving nutrients. All nutrients in the food does not do all the functions. Okay, that's how they are classified. So the first type of nutrients is called energy giving nutrients. That means the name itself is telling you their function. The first important function is to provide energy to the body. Okay, we'll discuss that. So under energy giving foods, there are two of them. First one is carbohydrates, second one is fats. These are the two energy giving nutrients. Okay, now when you say carbohydrates, ये दोनों energy giving हैं. Okay, that means when you consume food containing carbohydrates or food containing fats, you get good amount of energy. But carbohydrates are instant sources of energy. That means you consume any food containing carbohydrate, you will get energy instantly, quickly. Okay, it doesn't take long time to give that energy. On the other hand, fats, they provide energy after a long time. That's the difference. Okay, if you compare the amount of energy that is given, fats give the highest amount of energy, but they also take a long time to give that energy. Carbohydrates give less energy, but they give it instant. Getting it? Imagine the situation like suppose some sports is going on, cricket might be. Okay, so there is some break which is given in between for the players. So during that break, what food is generally eaten by the players?
Juice.
They
Juice.
consume juices. They have fruits. Yes. Do they sit and have pizza, burger, and all?
No.
Why?
No.
What will happen? Keep your videos on, everyone. Let me interact properly. Why do you think they cannot have heavy foods like pizza, burger, or something like that?
It doesn't digest fast.
Yes. The break that is given to them is somewhere around half an hour, after which they have to continue the game. And in order to continue the game, they should be equally energetic and enthusiastic. ये तभी possible होगा when they will consume something which will give them quick energy. If they will have more of fatty food, they will become drowsy. तो आगे खेलना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Getting it? That is why foods like sugar, जिसमें sugars होते हैं वो carbohydrates मिलते हैं. All types of fruits, okay, even many vegetables, बहुत सारे items हैं जिसमें carbohydrates मिलते हैं. Banana is the best one. Okay, that's energy giving. Did you understand, everyone? Carbohydrates and fats. Okay.
Yes.
One more
Yes.
thing you can imagine. Suppose if you know somebody who is admitted to a hospital and the person is weak, if you go to visit that person, what do you carry with you generally for that person?
Fruits, banana.
Correct. Fruits लेके जाते हैं, biscuits लेते हैं, या मे बी coconut water, right? उसके लिए डोमिनोज का पिज्जा तो नहीं लेके जाते, right? Because the person is already weak, उसको एनर्जी चाहिए, तो फैट्स एनर्जी देगा, बट वो डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए भी तो एनर्जी चाहिए ना. That's why you consume more of carbohydrates. This is how you can correlate with your daily life. Okay. Then second one is bodybuilding nutrients. Again, the name itself is telling you the function. If you consume more of these nutrients, it will help your body to grow better. Growth के लिए काम आएगा. And they are nothing but proteins. Proteins are the bodybuilding nutrients. Okay, now this can be a small give reason question they can ask you. Small children are given more of proteins in the diet. Why? So the answer is understood now. What's the answer? Why are small children?
For growth.
Correct.
For the growth.
Further growth and development.
Exactly, because small children are growing faster as compared to the adults. So because they have to grow properly, they should have more of proteins in their diet. Okay. Then the third one is regulation and maintenance nutrients. These are not digested. Carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are digested in the body, but the ones which are under regulation and maintenance, they are not digested. They are useful for the digestion of other big nutrients. So they act as something called catalyst. Okay, they are in the ionic forms and they can be used as catalyst. So you have vitamins and minerals, and no doubt the last one without which all other nutrients are of no use, that is water. Okay, these are all required as regulation and maintenance. Okay, you know vitamins. Any example you can give? Any example
Lemon.
for vitamins? Bolo? Yes, Sundar.
Lemon juice.
Lemons contain vitamin C, correct? Any other?
Sun rays.
Now that's a very important point you have put up. Normally we assume that sunlight or sun rays contain vitamin D. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना? Do you agree with that fact? That's why you say that if you go out before sunrise or just during sunrise, and if you are going out for a walk, the skin is exposed to those sun rays, you get more of vitamin D. Now that's a debatable point. You know why? Because if the sun rays, they contain vitamin D, how are the vitamin D molecules traveling all the way from the sun to the earth via vacuum? Between the sun and the earth, there is space, there is vacuum. Can the vitamin molecules travel all the way? Vacuum में कुछ नहीं travel होता ना? So how can you get vitamin D from there? Think about it. Getting it? Think about this point and try to find out the correct answer. You understood? Okay. So vitamins, minerals. Can you give examples of minerals that we require? Yes. What are the minerals that are required for having strong bones?
Calcium.
Correct. Calcium. Right? Calcium, phosphorus, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, zinc, boron, fluorine, chlorine, iodine, so many are there. For having good teeth, you require fluorine. For maintaining the function of your thyroid gland, you require iodine. Okay. For proper maintenance of your muscles, you require magnesium and manganese. Okay. For good amount of blood and hemoglobin, you require iron. So there are lot of minerals which are essential to be included in your diet. Getting it? And there is no need to ask you the role of water as a nutrient. Correct? Whenever you have food, water is a must. Because every cell contains cytoplasm, which mainly contains water. So the digestive juices that are produced in the body, they contain water. Hormones which are produced mainly contain water. Okay, the tissues or the spaces between the tissues and the protective fluids around the tissues and the organs, they contain water. So without water, it is very difficult to imagine. Okay, that is why it is said ideally a human being for a healthy living in a day should consume how much water?
1 gallon.
Gallon will be too big. One day में 1 gallon. Sundar?
1.5 liter.
Okay, 1.5 liters, 7 to 8 glasses. That's a normal measure. And that will also depend upon the season, the climate, and everything. Even the age factor, the occupation, the gender, all these things also matter. But it is always advised that you should have good amount of water in your diet. And it's not just about drinking water. Normal पानी हम पीते ही हैं. उसके अलावा होता है body fluids. So if you like, suppose you are having your lunch and along with that you have your salad. तो उसमें हमने cucumber काट के खा लिया. So cucumber has got that water. Tomatoes contain water. You have fruits like watermelons and grapes. उसमें पानी रहते हैं. So you are taking in whole lot of fluids by these measures also. Sometimes you have coconut water. That also contains good amount of water. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See this carbohydrates. Okay, तो इसके बारे में क्या बोला गया है? They are instant sources of energy and they give you approximately 4.5 calories per gram of energy. This point you have to remember for carbohydrates. Okay, so all types of sweet foods with natural sugars, they contain carbohydrates. Remember, natural sugars. Okay, not the artificial ones. Okay, so just say example देखो. What is this?
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
You had sugarcane juice anytime?
Yes.
That
Yes.
contains good amount of sugar. इसलिए नाम ही sugar cane है. उसके stem में वो juice होते हैं. Okay, having the juice as well as consuming it directly. दांत से छील के भी खाते हैं ना कभी-कभी. उसका रस हम लोग लेते हैं. That is also very good for your teeth. Okay, what is this?
Potato.
Potato.
Yes. Potatoes also contain very good amount of carbohydrates. Starch होता है इसमें.
Starch.
Okay, it contains starch and starch is a carbohydrate. Okay, what are these?
Fruits and juice.
Fruits.
All types
and
of
juice.
fruits and their juices. But whenever you are having a choice, having the fruits or having the juice, the preferred option should be directly having the fruits rather than the juice. Because जब fruits का juice निकाल कर पीते हैं ना, तो we are losing out on the natural fibers जो fruits में होते हैं. जैसे orange juice निकाल लिया तो orange के fibers चले गए. Only the liquid water is there. So if you have the orange directly, you're getting the fibers also. So when you talk about carbohydrates, इसमें fibers are also very important. The natural fibers, which we call as roughage. Okay, they are also equally important because it keeps your alimentary canal or the digestive system clean. That is very necessary. Okay, that is why having raw fruits is very important. ये देखकर दीपाली खुश हो गई. What is this?
Dark chocolate.
Very good. नेचुरल चॉकलेट्स, बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स आते हैं, बट नेचुरल चॉकलेट्स जो होते हैं वो कोको प्लांट से आते हैं. ओके, यस. नेक्स्ट. ओके, बाकी सारे
Apple.
फ्रूट्स एक तरफ, एप्पल्स एक तरफ, because apples contain the maximum amount of sugars. इसमें glucose, sucrose, fructose, all three are present. Okay, that is why proverb है ना apple से related. What is that?
An apple a
An
day keeps
apple
the
a day
doctor
apple a
away.
keeps
day
the doctor
keeps-
away.
Keeps the doctor away. Very good. Okay, वो बोलते हैं तो उसके पीछे reason है और वो correct है. It has got good amount of iron also in it. If you cut an apple, it is white in color, but keep it for some time and then you see the color. Brownish हो जाता है ना वो. Because the iron
Yes.
in it reacts with the oxygen in the air, it turns into oxide. That is the iron content in it. Okay, so have apples everyone, right? ये क्या है?
Gulab jamun.
गंगा का मुंह एकदम ब्राइट हो गया. That's called, yes, these are some of the dishes that we prepare, right? Okay, so having sweets is good, but anything in extreme is also bad. Okay, and these are, ये तो पता ही है, अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले इसका सीजन गया.
Mango.
अभी राम को देखो कैसे खुश खुश लग रही है. Okay, so understood about carbohydrates. There were some of the food sources. Okay, see this. Patients admitted to hospital, the sports persons, as I said, right? So they have more of carbohydrates in their diet because they can replenish their energy faster. That is a requirement. Okay. Then coming to fats. Fats, as I said, they take a long time to give that energy. They are the slowest, but they also give the maximum amount, 9.45 calories per gram, which is more than double that what carbohydrates can give. Okay, but they are heavy foods and their digestion takes more time. Okay, so what is this?
Pav bhaji.
Pav bhaji.
Okay, अभी इसी का एकदम खुश नजर आ रही है. Very good. Okay, this is something you know very well कि इसमें butter, you know, sometimes cheese, all these are added and they give you good amount of fats. Okay, relax everyone, you are going to have dinner after this lecture. What's that?
Paratha.
Paratha.
Yes, especially if you go to North India, right? North India mein the morning breakfast is generally parathe with nice butter, ghee and all applied. Okay, it is nicely floating on the paratha, right? Sometimes the parathas appear golden because of that. Okay, relax. Okay, next. What is this? It is ghee. Okay, you know what is ghee?
Yes.
Have ghee with lot of food items and India में बहुत famous है देसी घी के लिए. It's a milk product, correct? So if it is of good quality, a pure quality, it is very good for the health. It's extremely good for the health. किसी भी खाने पीने की गर्म चीजों में डालो तो flavor को enhance करता है. And then because this fats can also give you good amount of lubrication. Joints का lubrication वगैरह बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है because of that. Okay. What is this?
Pizza.
ये देखो
Pizza.
खुश हो गए सब लोग. Okay, that contains cheese. In there is another lesson in your textbook, introduction to microbiology. There we are going to learn about cheese production. Okay, तो उसमें हम देखेंगे अलग-अलग type के cheese हैं. But you know very well, cheese is containing good amount of fats. Okay, yes, it can lead to some disorders and some problems as well. कि obesity हो जाता है, right? High blood pressure and all. But it doesn't mean that you are going to avoid it completely in your diet. हर चीज थोड़ा थोड़ा तो लेना ही चाहिए. Okay, anything in excess is bad, anything in deficiency is also bad. So there should be a good balance of everything. Okay, so fats, the excess of it, what happens?
Obesity.
That's called obesity. What is obesity?
Because of more consumption of fats in our diet
Hmm.
and junk food.
Okay. Now the junk food is again, see, it is called junk food because it is consumed from outside and you don't measure what you're eating. But when it comes to food like fats, इसमें important ये हो जाता है कि you have to ensure that if you are consuming food like fats, your physical activity should also be proportionate to that. Because only then the amount of calories that you're adding is used up. If you will have too much of fats, but if you don't do physical work, they will just keep on getting added inside your body. And the fats are added under your skin and it forms a tissue which is called the adipose tissue. So increase in the number of fatty cells, increase in the amount of fats leads to a condition called obesity. So if the cells in the body have too much of fat content in it, it will create a pressure on the heart. Because the blood becomes thicker, the heart requires more energy to pump that blood, so that can lead to problems. So if you have sedentary work, this office में एक ही chair पे बैठे रहना है, okay, 9 to 5 job, there's hardly any physical work, so there you are supposed to avoid it because it can lead to problems of the heart. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You understood
Yes,
about
sir.
fats, everyone? Any nutrient, in fact. Okay, it all, the amount of nutrients that you take, the type of the nutrients that you take, that all depends upon various factors. For small children, it is different. For adults, it is different. Okay, for women, for men, it is different. For pregnant women, it is different, right? And according to the occupation, the local climate, that also changes. Getting it? So climate also plays a very important role. Is that clear? That's why if you go to very cold places, okay, here we can give the example of China also. You know very well what the Chinese eat, right?
Yes.
So sometimes they eat they eat things which are beyond our imagination, right? So why is this possible over there? Because their climate is allowing them. But in India, the climate is not like that. Within India also see the difference. North India is different, South India is different. North is mainly a cold place. So वहाँ ठंडी में इतना fatty food सब खा सकते हैं, but not in South India. So this also matters. Getting it? Okay, so we'll do one thing. The time is up for now. We will stop here. Okay, and in the next session, we will continue with proteins and other types of nutrients, and we'll proceed with the lesson. Okay.